Here's how to update the Mendel package list and upgrade to the latest version of those packages. So we'll start by opening a Western terminal and typing in sudo apt-get update. Now, if you get any temporary or resolving failures, double check your internet connection. You'll do that by opening nmtui and just reconnect your Wi-Fi again. I've been having Wi-Fi issues lately, so this is sadly normal for me. And then quit. Then press up twice to run the second last command, and that should get you the package list. The next error you might get is a GPG error, which means we don't have the GPG key for the Google Cloud Coral Edge TPU package. So we'll download that with a curl request, and then add the key with apt-key. And again, I've got Wi-Fi issues, so let me reconnect. Cool. All right, we'll rerun the curl command, and awesome, that looks like it's working. Then run sudo apt-get update again. Now lastly, you might get these Debian errors. I couldn't be bothered figuring out what was wrong with it. It didn't seem to impact functionality, so I've left it alone. Let me know in the comments if you know how to fix that. With apt-get update done, let's now run sudo apt upgrade to download the packages. I'll fast forward and we're done. Awesome, that's setup completed. Next up is some really awesome fun stuff, which is running some sample inference projects, so please keep watching.